Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I want to show you what I ordered online. I ordered hoverboard. This is Mega Motion Hoverboard, 6.5-inch two-wheel self-balancing electric scooter with Bluetooth speaker. It's a quality hoverboard with LED light. This gadget is ideal for children and teenagers. This hoverboard is made with high-quality ABS plus PC material, 4 AH batteries, 6.5-inch colorful luminous wheel, studded and durable, unique anti-slippery pedals, intelligent protection system, shock absorber, anti-fall, anti-tilt, equipped with a bright headlight to provide you with safer night riding experience. It's ideal for gift and a great tool to exercise children's courage. Dual motors, full power and stable performance, and load bearing capacity of 20 kg to 100 kg. Both children and parents can use this. Built-in battery overload protection system, intelligent fault detection, low battery reminder, intelligent weight sensing, overspeed warning, fault prompt, and other function. It's recommended for children to wear helmet while using this hoverboard. Bluetooth speaker, yes, you can connect it by turning on Bluetooth in your smartphone. Charging time 2 to 3 hours. It's recommended to charge it once a month to avoid affecting battery life, even if you are not using it. So we're going to unbox this hoverboard, check it out and see what is inside. This is the power cable. See what it looks like. So you have 3-pin or 2-pin. This is the power cable. Push it inside. So this one is 3-pin and this one is 2-pin. This is the information pack, manual, self-balancing electric scooter, user manual. Let's see what it looks like. I like this color. This is beautiful. Mega Motion. You turn this on and off on this button, plug it on this button. So take the power cable, plug it on to this port, then connect it to the power. I see the light. I like the material. This is anti-slippery. I like the rubber. So this is made of PU material. Let's see. This Mega Motion scooter is beautiful. This is the fender and this is the pedals and the tire. There are 2 indicator lights in front of this. Once you switch it on, indicators. This is protective cap for the chassis of the self-balancing scooter. It is applied for operation information. Battery indicator. The green light indicates that the battery is full. The yellow light flashes when charging. When the hoverboard beeps, the red light flash. It means that the battery is low and the hoverboard needs to be charged. So you switch this on here. So this light is charging, and when it's full up, it will be in green color. And if you purchase a Bluetooth version, you will hear a Bluetooth tone after putting it up. It will be a short piece of sound or a sentence voice. Then you can connect your self-balancing scooter with your smart device, your phone, via Bluetooth. So this is the unboxing of this scooter. I'm currently charging it up, and you can see, but you need to charge this for between 2 to 3 hours before you ride on it. It deserves your attention. This is Mega Motion. Thank you.